Hi, my name is Sam, and along with Nosa, we will be looking at the security around wireless sensor networks. So what is a wireless sensor network? A wireless sensor network is a network that consists of spatially distributed autonomous sensor devices. These sensors or nodes can monitor different physical and environmental conditions such as temperature, sound, vibration, pressure, and pollutants. The components of a wireless sensor network consist of sensor nodes. These individual nodes work together to detect and process some information which can wirelessly transmit the data to a base station. The base station gathers the sense data for visualization and analyzation, which sends the results to a remote server application. The gateway also retrieves data from sensors, but it also provides a way to monitor and configure the individual nodes remotely. It also acts as a network coordinator for all of the nodes. A patch network, so when sensors are spread out in a wide area or different regions, each region is equipped with a gateway for communication to the other networks. And finally, the transit network, and this is the intermediate communication channel used to forward the signals onto the base station. So what are some problems with wireless sensor networks? Because of the limitation of resources, it makes implementation of security measures more complex than in a traditional network. To protect from attacks, a secure system needs to be developed to achieve secrecy of credentials, operation safety, and privacy of people in the sensor environment. Various attack methods can also easily be performed on a wireless sensor network due to the lax nature of security on these networks. So, a wireless sensor network is prone to security threats due to several factors, such as range of radio transmission in the network. So, because the wireless sensor network can span a large geographical area, this can increase the threat surface of the network, so it makes it a wider area that can be attacked. Skeptical communication, and this describes the technique used to determine internode distance, but that technique also makes the network susceptible to signal loss and noise disruption because of the clock drift that occurs. The abandoned nature of sensor nodes. So since nodes are spread out through a wide geographical area, these nodes are often just set up then left in the open, and nobody really interacts with them unless they break. And then finally, there's easy access to the network. So again, because the sensors or nodes are spread out in a wide area, a lot of times it could be in the woods or a factory or outdoors, whatever it might be, whatever the large geographical area is, it is usually easy to access. So developing a secure system for a wireless sensor network must satisfy several security requirements, also known as security goals, and this consists of confidentiality, which restricts access only to authorized users and also hides the network from possible attacks. Integrity, this ensures that the data and the resources are trustworthy. Authentication, this identifies the user and provides them with the needed access. Availability, this ensures that the sensor nodes are available to provide their resources to the network. Data freshness, this detects and discards duplicate messages and it verifies the information received. Time synchronization, this is so that the nodes can perform collaborative tasks, so the time has to be the same on all of them for them to be able to cooperate in these tasks. Self-organization, nodes should have the ability to self-heal so that they can adapt to the various topologies without having to be physically administered. Secure localization, sensor networks should have the ability to sense and resolve faults on the network securely and accurately. So what are our goals? Our goals are to identify various attack methods, explain how these attack methods are possible, and we will provide suggested countermeasures so that they can be deployed and harden the wireless sensor network so that they can be protected from the described attack. So now, what are the attacks we will analyze? We will analyze a black hole attack, and this is when a malicious node is used and uses its routing protocol to block packets from forwarding information to a base station. It's kind of considered a DOS attack, but it's a little bit different. A Sybil attack, and this is when an intruder forges multiple identities to access the data meant for the identities it forged. And then finally, a denial of service or a DOS attack, in which an attacker tries to restrain access to network services by consuming all of the resources. So thank you, and I hope you look forward to seeing what we come up with. Thank you.